Okay. Well, you had a sleep appliance fabricated for you, and how do you like it so far?
I am very satisfied. I am amazed at how well I'm sleeping. The first few hours, I feel like I'm in a coma. I don't hear anything. I don't notice anything. It has been amazing. It fits well. It sleeps well. I don't wake up because of it. I have no feelings of discomfort whatsoever.
Yep.
My wife is very happy. So as she's getting a deeper night's sleep, I'm getting a deeper night's sleep. So the family's happy. I couldn't be more happy with this.
Thank you very much.